Hey guys, welcome to TriStar Dragon Fruit. Today we got Cody here doing some grafting with us. So he's gonna show us how to do some horizontal and V node graft. So what he's gonna be doing, he's gonna cut a V node off a plant, and then he's gonna graft onto a rootstock, and then he's gonna cut a piece off from another plant, and then he's gonna do a horizontal graft. So check out our video today, guys. Alright, so we got some rootstock. I don't know, this is a cool garden. I don't know where
so cool.
I don't know where I'm at. But oh, let me grab a node cut for you.
Oh, the tool, huh?
Yeah, so this is a tool that we're gonna use. I love this tool. You know, you don't have to use a knife. You know, normally just use this tool.
Makes a perfect V cut.
Yep. So here we go.
Let's go to the plant of choice here. And here we are. This is one of the A5 sisters. This one is the purple flower and yellow skin and white flesh. So we're going to be taking one of these nodes to graft.
Here we go. All right. So all you have to do is, you know, find a perfect node.
Which ones? How do you find the best node to graft?
Pretty much they're all good looking. You know, they don't look very crushed. They don't look rotten. They don't look yellowish. They're all perfectly.
These ones up here, I noticed they have more spikes. If that makes a difference.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I don't think it makes any difference.
Okay.
Yeah, but for me, I normally like to do the bottom one, just because there's more, you know, it's more healthier down here than up here.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead, get a clip here. As you can see, make sure you remember when you do this, you gotta make sure which way is the top, right? Because you don't want to graft this upside down, right? So here we go. See how I cut this? Look at that.
There we go.
Right? So I'm gonna keep it like this so I know it's up. All right.
I'm feeling, so now we're gonna look for the rootstock that we feel has the best, you know, connection to this piece here. And I feel like, this one would be good for a horizontal, huh? So
This
maybe
one is good.
Good? Okay.
Or you can
This or this.
You
This
could
one.
do
Yeah,
Like right on
here.
the top.
All right, same process. You just use this to cut the node again. I'm gonna do right here. That's too small. It's okay. I'm just gonna cut this off real quick.
So yeah, you see the cambium right there in the middle?
This is a top V graft. Yeah.
There we go.
you can line up until you get actually right middle coming from
Yeah,
both
you
sides.
can't use the tool, the V tool, to do this. So you gotta use a knife, guys. So let's see what he's doing. Yep, he's trying to get the cambium. So it's that one right here. That's it, right? And he's gonna stick it in. Is it good? He's gonna tone this up a little bit more to make it fit into the V shape. There you go.
So this is it after it's been already established and starts growing.
So here you go, guys. This is the medical tape that you guys can get at Target, Walmart, you know, or on Amazon. Okay, so pretty much you just take some of this and you just go break it in half. Boom. Just like that. This is right. That's too small. That's smaller, right?
It's way small. That's what I did for the top
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, this one is smaller, so you don't have to break it up. Kevin already has this small enough for us.
Awesome.
Right. So, but if you don't have this, you can do with the other tape. I do two side normally
Yeah.
to keep it strong. There's one. There you go. You see how there's no gaps in between, which that's what you want, right? So if there's a gap, you probably want to tone it up to make sure it fit into the V node.
A very secure fit right there.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And guys, one last thing, just remember to cut all this node off, just because you want all the energy to focus on this new grafted piece.
Mhm.
So it's always good just to, you know, tip it off. There's 1, 2. Luckily on this rootstock, there's only 2 nodes. So it's easier for us.
Not much cutting to do.
Yep. Here you go.
Your tools right after you cut any of these, because you don't want any plant material or any plant like sickness transferring from one plant to another. So right here, I'm just gonna clean it off, spray it off, clean it up just like that, simple as that. And now I can get to cutting the next graft. Lasagna graft of white crystal. So let me just dry this off real quick. And what I like to do is, to make sure I get a very straight cut, is I go sideways right here on, oh okay, making a mess. But sideways right here, and put it against the, okay, it's kind of hard. Put it against there right here. Yeah. And I'm gonna cut up, okay, let me see. Move this real quick. And I'm gonna cut about right here. Alrighty. Perfect. Now I can stand that one up here. Sanitize again real quick. And now I'm gonna get a cut of the white crystal, and we're gonna attach it atop this right here. Let me see, like right here.
Perfect.
Just gonna fall. Let me see, I'll just do this. Weird angle. Okay. There we go. We got it good. Now the top is. Oh shit. I was pretty sure it's this way.
It's going up.
Alrighty. So what we're gonna do here is try to match, because this one has 4 sides, this one has 3. So what we're gonna do is match it up to the center. This is the most important part you want to match up. There we go, just like that. And it's naturally sticking a little bit. That's a good sign. And now we're gonna get our tape and secure it down. It's a pretty big graft for these ones, because it doesn't. It's gonna take more time, right, for these to cure to the plant here. So I'm just gonna go straight over. The first few tapes, I don't want to go too hard, too much pressure. I'm just doing it to hold it in place to make sure that I'm gonna be able to do the other tapes. Okay. Okay, where's this? Awesome, there we go, got it pretty evenly done there.
Awesome.
From our rootstock, because we don't want those growing. And we want the energy focused on our graft. Now you don't need to go too far in, but I'm not gonna try to break anything here. So on this one here, I'm gonna be adding a stick and a little bit of support, because as you can see here, it's pretty wobbly and pretty weak. It's still connected very well, so I don't see that as a problem, but we just want to give it some extra support. Wasn't thicker than, let me see. Alrighty, and now our last step would be to add the bag. And the reason we add this bag is to keep in the moisture, correct?
Right.
Yeah.
You don't want too much moisture. So if you get too much moisture, you just poke the hole, so it releases the moisture.
Awesome.
But there you go, guys. If you guys like the V-note graft and the horizontal graft, please give a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you,
Thank you
guys.
guys for watching.
All right.